Carnival Cruise has so much to offer. Let's take a closer look. Have you ever wanted to go on a cruise, but you just didn't know which cruise was best for you or even what to expect? This video is about Carnival, but videos of other cruise lines will be following. Feel free to use them to compare and find the perfect choice for you. With that said, let's jump straight into it. The question everyone seems to have is what is included with your cruise. Your stateroom comes with a flat screen TV, a safe, climate control, and more. Your stateroom can be an interior with no outside view, exterior with balcony, or even exterior with a balcony that has a panoramic view. Each Carnival Cruise offers a variety of shows, comedians, live music at numerous lounges, and even a variety of other entertainment. Carnival offers pools, hot tubs, spas, and even, in some cases, water slides and even roller coasters. For those who are traveling with kids, the youth program is available year-round for ages 2 to 17. When it comes time to fill up on great food, the choices are plentiful, including a pizzeria that's open from 9 a.m. to 4 a.m. And don't forget, it also offers 24-hour room service for an extra fee. Carnival has IMAX theaters, casinos, bingo, and even Deal or No Deal. Video games, trampolines, ship-to-shore calls, and even a laundry. Special add-ons such as excursions and photos can be added. Now, if you're interested in knowing how Carnival compares to Disney, stick around for our next video. If you need help booking your next trip, reach out to me at the email address in the description. Be sure to give a thumbs up, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time, get out and live your next adventure.